This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Need new tools or upgrade? Think Value Testers. Link in description below. Morning guys, it is March 3rd, 2020. This one here I got a call from a customer of mine last night that she got a leak in some PEX piping in her daughter's house that she had bought for her. Wanted me to go by there last night. I said, shut the water off, I'll go by there this morning. I'm not going out there in the middle of the night to fix a leak. Shut the water off and I'll be by in the morning. I mean, especially something like that, I might have to open up walls. I don't even know yet. I know it's that gray PEX type of pipe, tubing that they had a recall on or something like that. She got this house real cheap, and it has all that piping throughout the whole house. So what I told her is we'll just have to fix it as it lets loose. We'll have to cut it out and put new pieces in there. I mean, what can I tell you? It's gonna be a real shit show, mama. Station Road. But anyway, we'll try to get you some shots. Told her to put a rag around it, and it'll drip down into a bucket. She says right up against the wall, so it might be a heating pipe or it might be a domestic water pipe. I'm not sure. Most likely it's a domestic water. Let's hope it is. Find out when we get there. I have changed some stuff before on the walls, and it was that almost looked like a grayish PEX tubing. The hot and cold is all gray, like a light gray. And I just cut a section out and put a piece of PEX in there with a couple of couplings, and it seemed to work out last time, so that's probably what I'm going to attempt to do again. We'll try to get you some shots. It's right in there. So we're gonna have to open up that wall again.
Okay. It is what it is.
And then cut another piece so we could attach it up top, because it looks like it's leaking right there below the joist.
Yeah.
And that other red one I put in there is alright. It seems to be, huh?
Yeah. So far so good.
What a pain.
Yes, it is a pain.
See, that's why I didn't want to come at night.
Yeah.
It's just more of a pain in the ass at night, right?
Yep.
Nope.
Side, yep.
The nail's probably rubbing right in there. That's from
Put the studs in.
So I don't think that it's. We'll have to drain it down, cut it here, and then cut it downstairs and put a new piece in. I don't think it's up in the wall because it's not wet up there. I think it was from that nail.
Oh, good. Well, that's good.
I think so, but I can't guarantee it. I mean, it might be inside where it goes through. That's what we did last time. We cut it and put a new piece in, remember?
Yes.
All right.
That was the air conditioning stuff.
Yeah, it's dripping. It's dripping right there where that tape is. I could see it. Got it off here. What kind of dog you got barking up there?
I have 2 hound mixes.
Yeah, so I did put, that's 17 I did the glycol. That's 3 years.
Yeah, because it was right when they moved in.
Yeah, so that's it, that little half-inch PEX going up there. Yeah, we'll cut it out and then we'll have to repurge it, that's all. We'll be alright. See how it's white right there?
Yeah. There's no glycol on that though, right? Because
Well,
there's
see,
no
it's
AC upstairs.
I don't know, but see how it's white right there and it's cracked. See the crack?
Yeah, that's what happened with the other tubing that you had. It cracked.
And that's like, it's not like it's not like there's anything there. I mean, it's all in the open, right?
Yep.
What's probably happening is it's expanding there. You know, the long run, and it's expanding right there, and that's probably what's happening.
Cracks it. That's weird.
Yeah, could you see it?
Yeah.
Look at the crack. See it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's the same thing that happened with the other piece.
Unbelievable. Give it the old Jed clamp it. Give it the old Jed clamp it. The old PEX treatment. I think it was that nail. But I don't think so now, but I'm looking at it downstairs. Stuff's just shit pipe. Terrible. Here, the old Jed clamp it. I'll just tie it in downstairs and repurge it. It should be good. As I put a new one in there. Turn it on and see what happens. See if we got any leaks.
Let's see while you can change out that filter in the furnace for me.
Yeah. And that looks good. I don't see any leakers. No leaks. That's fine. I think it might have. No, it was cracked down below. This stuff is shit tubing. That's it. Alright, I got them all back on here. We'll change the nozzle on this thing for sure. It's been, what, 3 years?
Yeah.
3 years. Alright, so replace heat PEX at garage, new nozzle, purge zones.